Hi there, Jetstream members. Welcome to our new rewards platform walkthrough. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how to make the most of your points on our newly enhanced platform. And the best part, you can access it directly through your Jetstream online banking account. So whether you are looking to save on everyday purchases, plan a vacation, or simply treat yourself, all these rewards are just a few clicks away. So here we are in the new Jetstream rewards. As we land on this homepage, you'll notice a few things right away. Up top, you are going to be finding the points that you have, the points balance that is displayed. There is no guessing. It's easy to see where you stand, right? Just below, we have a welcome banner highlighting special features, promotion, or new rewards options right over here. And if you are ready to start exploring, the main menu is right here with categories, cashback, gift cards, merchandise, travel, experience donations, and real-time rewards. In here, we have like the highlighted section. So I'm just going to minimize myself so I don't take much of the space. And I'm going to show you, and I'm going to start with something unique, our real-time rewards platform, right? It's over here. This area lets you redeem points instantly without waiting or planning ahead. This is perfect for last-minute savings. You have the option of fuel with points. Fuel with points, come on, this is amazing. You imagine getting a discount at the gas station every time that you fill up. With this feature, you can redeem, for example, 2,000 points to get 0.50 cents off per gallon up to 20 gallons. Just use your rewards card at the beginning of your transaction at participation stations like Shell, Citgo, Murphy, BP, GetGo. It's amazing, all the companies that are included in this program. The pump will recognize your points, and you will save right there on the spot. It's an easy way to stretch your budget on essential fuel purchases, and this is, in my opinion, always welcome. Then you have checkout with points, right? This option is fantastic for shopping at the select stores like CVS, Dollar General, and more. Think about Black Friday. Think about Christmas shopping. Think about any birthday or any Father's Day, Mother's Day, any sort of purchases. But also for your everyday purchases. This option is great for select stores like CVS, Dollar General, and many, many more. We have many options like Walgreens, Walmart. This is great, right? So you just have to click on the selected, and you are about to leave your reward to visit your trusted partner. So you will be going over here and you will be going into the website, but also you accumulate points right by participating on it. So you can redeem up to 1,000 points for a $5 discount or 2,000 points for a $10 discounts. So whether it is grocery, health essentials, or quick pick-me-ups, you are saving on the spot with no extra steps. Then the last one is paid with points. Paid with points is like very simple. In here you have like all the purchases that have been made, and you have like the different options. And in here, this is going to give you, for example, AppSumo, $35 for this is the amount of money that you've paid for stuff and the points that you will be accumulating, right? Next, if you go back to the main menu in here, if you go back to the main menu, so you will have like in below with the real-time rewards, you will find the browse and redeem section. We've organized everything into an easy to navigate categories so you can browse options that suit your lifestyle and interests. In here you will be able to find all the vendors and all the different providers. In cashback, if you are all about like cash savings, head to our cashback section. In here, very simple, you can convert your points directly into cashback, which gets credited to your account directly. This is a great option if you want the flexibility to spend your rewards wherever and however you like. Next thing is the gift cards. Moving into the gift cards, this is a member's favorite. Of course, in here you are going to be able to see all the different categories: dining, entertainment, fuel, salon and spa, shopping, all the different, Amazon, Applebee's, Chili's, Cheesecake Factory, $25 for 2,500 points. You just have to actually sign up for this, for example, Cheesecake Factory, and you just add it and exchange these points. All the information can be found here, right? And next, we have, you have Amazon, Applebee's, Best Buy, and more. Perfect for gifting or just treating yourself to something special, right? Each card will show you the points needed, so it's easy to budget and to redeem. Plus, with options starting at just 2,500 points, there is something here for every single budget. Then we have the merchandise. In the merchandise section, you'll find a selection of items from trusted brands, from tech gadgets to home goods, accessories, and apparel. This section has a little bit of everything, okay? You can browse by category, by brand, filter by point value to find the perfect item. Maybe you are eyeing a new set of headphones or a cozy winter jacket. Check here to see what your points can unlock, right? And the next one, the next section, travel. This is one of my favorites. I love to travel. So if you're planning on getting a getaway, don't miss the travel section. You know, everybody has been saying like, rewards, I want to travel. This is where you actually can even book your trip. And we have e-gift cards for hotels, flights, and car rentals, so your points can go towards your next adventure. You'll find options from brands like Hotels.com, Global Hotel Car, Southwest Airlines, Carnival, Uber. No blackout dates, no hidden fees, just pure flexibility to book on your schedule. And the next section, experiences. To think about the concert, think about even driving an exotic car, flying a plane. You can do everything. Looking for something memorable, our experiences section is where you can redeem points for live events and outings. These include concerts, theater performances. Imagine using your points to see your favorite band or to catch a game with friends. These experiences make your unforgettable moments, and all made possible with your rewards. The last one, because we have in this system everything. You can even do donations, which is, in my opinion, amazing. It's an option that's near and dear to our hearts. And here you can choose to use your points to make a difference by donating to causes through charity choice. Choose from various charities and feel great knowing that your points are going to support something really meaningful. On the home page, you can also may notice our featured offering section. This is where we highlight limited time deals, right? Seasonal rewards or special promotions. So if there is a bonus or a new reward, you will see it right here. Keep an eye on this section over here, as it is a great way to get even more value out of your points. And here you will see like the special programs like that are limited on time, that you will see like, hey, you will get like X amount of points and until this date. This is where we highlight all those stuff, all those offers. And the final tip, and just for closing, because I don't want to extend too much, this is the complete tour of the Jetstream Rewards platform. We are so proud of this. We believe that there is so much that you can do with our Jetstream cards. Besides the fact that we have like amazing rates, we have no annual fees, we have like the balance transfer situation that is free. We have like this amazing system put together and that we are really launching, and I personally believe that is amazing. So, with so many ways to redeem your points, what are you waiting for? From everyday savings on fuel to unforgettable experiences and even charitable giving, we've made sure there is something for everyone. Remember, you can access this reward platform anytime through your Jetstream online banking account. So you are never far from maximizing your benefits and keep account on every point that you acquire. So whether you're planning on a big purchase, treating yourself, or giving back, every Jetstream purchase brings you closer to these fantastic rewards. If you have any questions or need help navigating, feel free to reach out to our team. And to finish, thank you very much for watching and happy redeeming. Remember, Jetstream, a good decision.